what we discussed in last class, guys. I think we are in CSS, right? CSS. Are you there? I think almost 10-12 members is there, but you people are not responding to me. I want response from you people, otherwise I won't start the class. Everybody, I want response from everyone. Fine, guys, I think we people we are in the CSS, right? We discussed inline CSS and internal CSS as well. Now we need to discuss about this external CSS, right? Yes. See here in last class itself I told you CSS stands for cascading style sheets, which is used to create the HTML documents in attractive manner. So basically this CSS is categorized into three, that is inline CSS, internal CSS and external CSS. In last class we have discussed about how we are going to insert the internal CSS into our HTML document, how to implement the internal CSS and how to implement this inline CSS. Now we'll see how to include the external CSS file into the current HTML document. Okay, now we'll try to create one HTML document. So as you know, I'm using the Sublime text editor for it. So here I'm going to create one new document. I'm going to save it with it's introduction to CSS, right? So that's why into to css.html I'm using. Now I'll create one HTML file. So within this I'm giving the heading as SEL edutech, and within the body we discussed three, I think so, heading, paragraph and some other thing. Yeah, background color I will give there. Now I'll go with heading. Solutions, and I'm going to add one paragraph to it. to web development master classes. Now we'll see the output of it. Now this is how it's going to be displayed. So this is what the output of that HTML document. So I'm going to add the external CSS, right? So the external CSS can be added into the current HTML document by using the link followed by, here you have to give the path of the CSS document. For that I am creating one new file. I'm going to save it as CSS intro, and these CSS properties or CSS files are going to be saved with .css extension. I'm saving it. So here you need not to mention any style or anything. So for that you just give the functionalities. I'll go with body. So I want the body background to be in a gray color. So for that, background color gray, and one more property I'm adding here. So for heading, so here h1 is there, right? So for h1 I'm giving the text color as blue. Okay, color as blue. Then for the paragraph I'm giving the color as I'll go with red. So we'll see. So these are the CSS properties which we are included in this CSS document. So see here, body. So as you people know, the background color is going to be inserted into the HTML document by using the inline CSS in the body tag itself, but here we are mentioning like this while we discuss the classes. So there we will discuss, okay, class identifiers is there. Okay, so while we discuss that one, I'll explain you clearly. First you just know how you are going to give the CSS properties over there. So the file name is css intro.css, right? Exactly, you need to give here css intro.css. okay, so this is how you have to specify the path of that CSS document. You will see the output once. So see here, so the background of our website is changed to the gray color, and the paragraph which we mentioned here is going to be displayed in a dark red color. Okay,